Welcome to DMC Fails. The most tragic car crashes and idiots in car will be in today's episode. Thrilling yet educational. Buckle up and join us. Unbelievable. All those involved miraculously survived. Three people were hospitalized but are in good condition. Luckily, the two children were unharmed. Who do you think is at fault in this situation? If you think it's the biker, at least comment one. Otherwise, comment two.
You can also go around the other side. You okay?
Look, $5, $6.
Oh!
What? Ah, look at the baby. What the
I gotta
fuck?
help.
The explosion caused a section of the elevated highway to collapse, resulting in one fatality. So this is why we must always maintain a safe distance when driving. Witnesses stated that a group of youths was street racing when the incident occurred. This is an extremely dangerous act that must be stopped immediately. Oh my God, how could they cross the road so carelessly? The incident resulted in the loss of 8 people on the plane and 2 drivers on the road. It's time to tighten safety regulations concerning light aircraft. It's miraculous that the driver survived. It seems he oversteered. Please drive more carefully. And I think they should put up signs and warning signals there. The incident left 10 people injured, but fortunately, everyone survived. The driver claimed that her brakes had failed. Remember to thoroughly check your vehicle before heading out. I wonder how fast she was driving to cause the building to collapse. Please slow down and drive more carefully. Miraculously, the helicopter avoided all the vehicles on the highway that day. Luckily, no one was seriously injured. The car in front suddenly changed lanes, leaving the truck driver no time to react. Surely both the driver and all of us have learned a valuable lesson. The 2 guards were seriously injured but survived. For your safety and the safety of others, please drive carefully. Don't forget to stay focused and follow traffic laws for the safety of everyone. At this point, it's the exit that's need to be fixed.
What the f are you doing? You still f***ing asshole. Oh my God.
Recklessness and traffic violations not only put you in danger, but also the passengers on board.
Please choose cancel from the screen or press the hang up button.
So how could she do that? I can't believe my eyes.
Oh my God.
Rushing on the road can put you in danger. Be patient. I can't believe the driver could do that. Hopefully the biker is okay.
Oh, what the f? You got this on dashcam. Alright.
If you look closely, you can see the manhole on the road suddenly explode. Always stay alert, anything can happen at any moment. It seems that the bad weather impaired the driver's visibility. Drive safely. Yet another example showing that we need to drive more cautiously in unfavorable weather conditions. What do you think happened? Mechanical or electronic issue? Or human error? Looks like these police officers might have a late night today.
Oula! Oula!
It seems she was texting. She was looking down before finally looking up.
Sometimes it's not things that are so visible on the outside.
Oh my god.
The car theft suspect crashed and fled to a rooftop, but was soon captured by a K-9 unit. Thank you for watching video today about 50 crazy moments car crashes of idiots in cars. Hope you have taken lessons to drive more safely. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please like and share it with others. But don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Of course, if you have any feedback, let us know in the comments below. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.